Alright, back to another video on Reed's Wildlife. We got old Galveston over there, and we fished this pond a couple times, y'all. And it's hot out here.
It's freaking raining now.
It's raining? It ain't raining.
It's sprinkling.
I told you. Never mind. Alright, but we got these kayaks, y'all. We're gonna see if we can catch some before it rains too bad. See y'all later. Alright, y'all. We're gonna be starting off with this fluke and we in the kayak, and Gavin just caught one on this, and let's see what we can do real quick. Hopefully we get one. Got one on, boys. About a pound and a half, y'all. Finally caught one, y'all. Gavin over here, he done put the smack down on me already. Alright, y'all, we just caught one on the black frog over here. And see if I got a bite on a fluke too, and we're gonna release him right here. Y'all, we got one on. It's a big one too. Yeah, I got him. Oh, I thought he was big one, y'all. Oh no, it came off. Gavin's got one on over, y'all. Don't all see. Y'all see that right there? That joker jumped right there when I was releasing. That was pretty cool, yo. Dude, my lure came out of the water. He jumped and he grabbed it. Dude, they're super aggressive right now. I'm pretty sure I got that on video. Yo, that's pretty cool. Yo, that's a nice bass right there. Oh, he's bleeding. He's still alive, y'all. He's good. But yeah, dude, he jumped right there. He's good. I ain't never seen that before. Alright, y'all, it's raining. Gavin just picked up another one over here, y'all. Go subscribe to his channel. Gavin's Fishing. Hit that like button on my video, please. And just trying to fish this rain. See what we can do. Got one on, y'all. Right there at the boat too. Good night. One more. I got one more. Let me put some slack right there.
What, are you riding up the boat?
Yes, dude. Look right there, y'all. Right there at the boat. Put him back in the water. Got him. Dude, no, he's biggin'. Gavin. Dude, I thought he was a 2-pounder. Oh my gosh, y'all. Glad I got on video. Right, I seen him swimming the whole time. Just picked around with this frog right here. Y'all, biggest fish caught on the kayak. Let's see what we got right here. Let's see how much he weighs. Dude, there's no way. He looks like I thought he was like a 4-pounder. But y'all, he's 211, 212, 211. Yeah, 211, y'all. Nice bass. Come back this way. Meet me in the middle. Alright, y'all, we're gonna release this bad boy.
Girl.
You caught a bunch. Please hit that like button, subscribe, hit my comments below, y'all, and tell y'all's friends.